Are you looking for comfort, convenience, and low-maintenance living? Check out this 3-bedroom, clean, well-maintained home located in the desirable Southwest. Inside, you'll find a functional layout with spacious living areas, ideal for relaxing, entertaining, or anything in between. All bedrooms are located upstairs, creating a peaceful retreat away from the main living space. The desert landscaping adds great curb appeal without the upkeep, so you can spend less time maintaining and more time enjoying. Just steps away, the community features plenty of guest parking and a grassy, dog-friendly space your furry friends will love. And with quick access to the freeway, commuting, errands, and weekend plans are always within easy reach. Thank you for touring this home. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm Monica with eXp Realty. If you have any questions or would like a private tour, just reach out to me.